जाओ और जाने दो. Go and let go.
Go and let go.
मुझे ज्यादा वक्त नहीं लगेगा. It won't take me too long.
It won't take me too long.
वो अभी भी नहीं आया है. He has still not come.
He has still not come.
मेरे पड़ोसी ने मुझे धूम्रपान करते हुए पाया. My neighbor found me smoking.
My neighbor found me smoking.
इसके लिए मैं तुझे 3,000 रुपए और दूंगा. I'll pay you 3,000 more for this.
I'll pay you 3,000 more for this.
मैं जल्द ही वापस आऊंगा. I will be back soon.
I will be back soon.
क्या वो पहुंचने वाली होगी? Will she be about to reach?
Will she be about to reach?
आसमान में कितने तारे हैं? How many stars are there in the sky?
How many stars are there in the sky?
तुम मीटिंग खत्म होने तक इंतजार करो. You must wait till the meeting gets over.
You must wait till the meeting gets over.
आप मेरी जान हैं. You are my sweetheart.
You are my sweetheart.
आज रात कौन गाने वाला है? Who is going to sing tonight?
Who is going to sing tonight?
जल्दी आओ. Come fast.
Come fast.
उसकी उंगली दब गई. His finger got pressed.
His finger got pressed.
अपना हिस्सा उठाओ और चलते बनो. Take your share and off with you.
Take your share and off with you.
वो बहुत बातूनी है. He talks a lot.
He talks a lot.
मैंने इसके लिए फोन नहीं किया. I didn't call for it.
I didn't call for it.
वो रात भर नहीं सोई. She didn't sleep overnight.
She didn't sleep overnight.
निशा उससे कब मिलेगी? When will Nisha meet him?
When will Nisha meet him?
उसे समय लेने दो. Let him take time.
Let him take time.
उसमें सच बोलने की हिम्मत नहीं है. He dare not tell the truth.
He dare not tell the truth.
वो बाइक नहीं चला सकती है. She is not able to ride a bike.
She is not able to ride a bike.
मुझे परेशान मत करो. Don't trouble me.
Don't trouble me.
वो ईमानदार बन रहा है. He is getting honest.
He is getting honest.
वो तुम्हारी मदद नहीं करेगा. He will not help you.
He will not help you.
उसने खुद को गोली मार दी. He shot himself.
He shot himself.
कुछ गलत होता है अगर बाईं आंख फटती है. Something goes wrong only if the left eye twitches.
Something goes wrong only if the left eye twitches.
आपका क्या मतलब है? What do you mean?
What do you mean?
तुम जानते नहीं कौन हूं मैं. सारा दिल्ली मुझसे डरता है. You don't know who I am. The whole of Delhi is scared of me.
You don't know who I am. The whole of Delhi is scared of me.
कुछ ना कुछ होने ही वाला है. Something is about to happen.
Something is about to happen.
क्या आप आम खा चुकी हैं? Have you eaten the mango?
Have you eaten the mango?
आप जैसा स्टूडेंट पाना मेरा सौभाग्य है. I am lucky to have such a student like you.
I am lucky to have such a student like you.
क्या उसने तुम्हें आने दिया? Did he let you come?
Did he let you come?
उसे जाने दो. Let her go.
Let her go.
मुझे पार्टियां बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं फिर भी मुझे जाना पड़ेगा. I really don't like parties. Still I will have to go.
I really don't like parties. Still I will have to go.
अगर तुमने दोबारा कॉल किया तो मैं पुलिस को बता दूंगा. If you call again, I'll inform the cops.
If you call again, I'll inform the cops.
तुम दोनों से कुछ नहीं होगा. You both can't do a thing.
You both can't do a thing.
तुम्हें इंतजार करने की जरूरत नहीं. You need not wait.
You need not wait.
हमने उन्हें धन चुराते हुए पाया. We found them stealing money.
We found them stealing money.
बारिश हो रही है इसलिए मुझे अंदर जाना होगा. It is raining, so I must go in.
It is raining, so I must go in.
वो ऐसा कुछ नहीं सोचती. She doesn't think anything like this.
She doesn't think anything like this.
मेरी दोस्त शादी करने के लिए भाग गई थी. My friend had eloped to get married.
My friend had eloped to get married.
उन्होंने मुझे बेवकूफ बनाने की हिम्मत की मैं उन्हें नहीं छोड़ूंगा. They dare to fool me, I will not spare them.
They dare to fool me, I will not spare them.
वो रोने ही वाली है. She is just to weep.
She is just to weep.
बारिश हुई तो? What if it rains?
What if it rains?
जब तक तुम मेरी शादी में नहीं आओगे मैं शादी नहीं करूंगा. Until you come at my wedding, I will not marry.
Until you come at my wedding, I will not marry.
बारिश हुई तो? What if it rains?
What if it rains?
ये फायदे का सौदा नहीं है. It's not worthwhile.
It's not worthwhile.
ऐसा लगता है कि आपको मुझ पे भरोसा नहीं है. It seems that you don't have trust in me.
It seems that you don't have trust in me.
एक गंदी मछली सारे तालाब को गंदा कर देती है. A single sheep infects the whole flock.
A single sheep infects the whole flock.
जैसा तुमने कहा था वैसा हुआ. It happened just like you said.
It happened just like you said.